Emma, I have a big problem.
What's wrong, Alex?
I understand English. I read English. I even think in English sometimes.
That's great. So, what's the problem?
But when I open my mouth, nothing comes out.
I know this feeling very well.
My brain freezes. My words disappear.
That's called a mental block. Many students feel this.
A mental block? So it has a name?
Yes, and today we fix it together. Welcome back to Everyday English Podcast. Today's topic is how to speak English fluently.
This is the biggest problem for many learners.
You will learn simple steps to speak with confidence.
Real steps, not just theory.
If this helps you, please subscribe to our channel.
Okay, Emma, let's solve my problem now.
Alex, why do you think you can't speak fluently?
I think I am scared of mistakes.
Fear of mistakes. Very common.
I know grammar, but I stop and think too much.
That's the real problem. You translate in your head.
Translate? Like from my language to English?
Exactly. First you think in your language, then you translate, then you speak.
Yes, that takes too much time.
Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English.
How do they do that?
With practice, lots and lots of practice.
So, it's not about knowing more words?
No, fluency is about speed, not perfect grammar.
That's surprising. I always study grammar rules.
Grammar is important, but speaking needs different training.
What kind of training?
Let me explain. This is our first key idea today. Let's learn the words we need for this topic.
Okay, teach me.
First word, fluent.
Fluent. Does it mean speaking perfectly?
Not exactly. Fluent means speaking smoothly and naturally. For example, she speaks fluent English now.
I want to speak fluent English too.
You will. Next word, confidence.
Confidence. Believing in yourself?
Yes, for example, practice builds your confidence.
I need more confidence when I speak.
Next word, hesitate.
I don't know this word.
Hesitate means to stop before you speak. You feel unsure. For example, don't hesitate, just speak.
I hesitate a lot, every single day.
Next word, pain point.
Pain point? Like a physical pain?
No. A pain point is your biggest problem or struggle. For example, speaking fast is my pain point.
My pain point is thinking too much before speaking.
Great sentence, Alex. Next word, practice out loud.
Practice out loud. Speak with my voice, not silently?
Exactly. Reading silently doesn't build speaking skills. For example, I practice out loud every morning.
I want to try shadowing today.
Next word, comfort zone.
Comfort zone. A place where I feel safe?
Yes, for example, speaking English pushes me out of my comfort zone.
My comfort zone is staying silent.
Time to leave that zone, Alex. Last word, improve.
Improve means get better?
Exactly. For example, my speaking improves every week.
I hope my speaking improves soon too.
It will, Alex. Trust the process. Alex, listen again. I practice every day. I speak slowly. I make mistakes. I improve.
Emma, I noticed something again.
What did you notice this time?
You always say, I practice, I speak, I improve. Simple action words, no extra endings.
Great catch. This is present simple again. We use it for habits and routines.
Like, I study English every day.
Perfect example. But now notice this. She practices every day.
You added an S because it's she.
Exactly right. With he, she, it, we add S.
He speaks slowly. She improves quickly.
You're a fast learner today, Alex.
Because we're just talking, not studying rules.
That's the secret, Alex. Grammar through conversation.
I understand now. Practice equals improvement.
Simple, right? Let's continue. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. I want to speak fluently.
I want to speak fluently.
I practice every day.
I practice every day.
I don't hesitate.
I don't hesitate.
I speak with confidence.
I speak with confidence.
Mistakes are okay.
Mistakes are okay.
I practice out loud.
I practice out loud.
I leave my comfort zone.
I leave my comfort zone.
I don't translate in my head.
I don't translate in my head.
I think in English.
I think in English.
My English improves every day.
My English improves every day.
I am becoming fluent.
I am becoming fluent.
Wonderful job, Alex. You sound confident already.
I actually feel better now.
See, practice really works. Let's review today's important words. We learned fluent, confidence, hesitate, pain point.
Practice out loud. Shadowing. Comfort zone. Improve.
Excellent memory, Alex. We also learned present simple for habits.
I practice. She practices. He improves.
Perfect. And remember our key idea today.
Fluency comes from speaking practice, not just grammar rules.
Exactly right. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Now, a message for every viewer watching today. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. It takes time.
I still hesitate sometimes too.
And that's completely normal, Alex.
Even Emma made mistakes when she started.
Everyone does. Mistakes are part of learning. Speak a little every day. Even 5 minutes helps.
Don't wait for perfect. Just start speaking.
Your confidence grows every time you try.
One day, you will speak without stopping.
We believe in you. Keep practicing. That's all for today's episode.
We talked about speaking English fluently.
Now, here's a question for you.
What is your biggest pain point in speaking English?
Write your answer in the comments below.
We really want to know your story.
Thank you so much for watching today.
If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.
See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye-bye.